Y'all gonna want to make this collard green dip, not just for Black History Month, but every day. My name is Nigel, I'm Rich Dietitian. For Black History Month, I wanted to do a series using traditional dishes, but making them in an untraditional way. I am taking some fresh collard greens, and make sure you clean them things. Why I want to show collard greens in a different way is because collard greens can be used like spinach or kale. It is low in calorie and nutrient dense. I mean, you can get your vitamin K, C, and A all in just with like your daily value, just with collard greens. Now, I'm going to put the full recipe down below, but make sure you clean those things good. Like I said, I sauteed them with some onions, garlic, and just added mostly salt-free seasonings and reduced sodium adobo. And then I go in with some low-fat cream cheese, mozzarella, parmesan cheese, and sour cream and chives, like it's sour cream that has chives in it. But I wanted to also do this a little bit different, and I salt-free Tony's by adding some protein. So I took a chicken breast. I just air-fried chicken breast. You can do whatever you want and shredded it. You know, you can buy rotisserie chicken, whatever. But when we add protein, that's going to help this dip be a meal. I just baked that down. I put that in cheese on top, but put it in the oven for about 20 minutes. I really want to get super cheesy. And then I paired it with some bread, and that is it. Guys, try this recipe out. Let me know what you think. Like, comment, share, because you know I got you.